In today's video, I'm reviewing 12 Foxtail products including their serums, masks and face washes. I have been testing out Foxtail products for the last 8 months and I'm really excited to share my honest opinion on how they perform, which ones are worth the hype and which is not. So if you are curious to know whether these products deserve a spot in your skincare routine, then keep on watching. So let me start with the first one, which is the retinol. By the way, this box I bought recently and this is the bottle that I'm using currently. The packaging is a usual paper packaging and inside that the serum bottle is placed. As you can see, the serums are very colorful, be it ceramide, vitamin C, glycolic acid, tranexamic acid, sunscreen, everything. The brand has come up with a very unique packaging which I like, because the serums would usually come in an amber bottle, but this one looks so refreshing and so good to the eyes, guys, so pleasing to the eyes actually. To see your vanity filled with black and white skincare products, this is so much soothing to my eyes at least. So yeah, this is the packaging. By the way, these are also UV protected, it seems. That's what I read in the instruction card. These packagings are also UV protected, so you don't have to worry about that. This is 0.15% retinol. The main benefit of retinol is anti-aging. It helps to diminish the fine lines and wrinkles. Retinol is like a preventive medicine for your fine lines and wrinkles that you're gonna get in future. It also minimizes the skin textures and age spots. If you already have that, it will minimize that. If you don't have that, then it will prevent it. I have an oily skin and I like my serum to be lightweight and non-greasy. These two things are very important to me. My oily skin girls would relate to it. Lightweight, that is non-sticky, then it is love. It gets absorbed quickly and you don't have the feeling of the chipness or heaviness or greasiness on your skin. And that's what we oily skin girls crave for. Being a skincare enthusiast and a YouTuber, I get a lot of product as a PR and I get to try different products on my skin, but it's very hard for me to stick to a one product whatsoever. And that happened with Foxtail. I'm actually surprised at myself because I don't stick to a single product at all. But see, I have already bought a backup of this retinol serum. That much I love Foxtail retinol. Why? Because of its texture and consistency. The texture, it is a gel cream texture. It is neither a gel nor a cream. It is in between, just perfectly balanced, and this is perfect for all skin types. I'm telling you, this is perfect even for acne prone, oily and sensitive skin type. Moving on to the next product, that is the vitamin C serum. I'm getting excited because I've been using Foxtail products since the day one and I couldn't leave these babies behind. This one is a Pakka vitamin C serum if you have a very oily skin. Like the retinol, this serum also is lightweight and non-greasy. This serum will not make your oily skin look even more oilier. Because we oily skin girls already have a glowing face, we don't want any more glow. We always wanted to mattify our face, take that extra sebum on our face, and that is what this vitamin C serum does. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from UV damage. So whenever you go out for office or for college, you can wear vitamin C serum and top it up with a moisturizer plus a sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important no matter what acid you use. Sunscreen is literally most important. Why? Because when you use acid, the skin becomes sensitive to the sun. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from UV damage. If your skin is already damaged by the sun, then vitamin C has the power to reverse it. The next product we're going to talk about is the Foxtail glycolic acid serum. By the way, they have a fancy name to it. It's called the Foxtail the Diva Overnight Glow Mask. Basically, this is a glycolic acid serum. Glycolic is an AHA, meaning that it is an exfoliant. Glycolic acid kind of removes and also prevents your blackheads and whiteheads and tiny little bumps on your face. Twice in a week, I do use this glycolic acid at night and go to sleep. I just apply this glycolic acid and dose off. Next morning, I wash my face. That's what I do with glycolic acid. This glycolic acid prevented my blackheads and whiteheads. Being an oily skin type, blackheads and whiteheads is something that it's always present in our face, right? So this one kind of prevented it. It also reduced it, removed it and prevented it. So yeah, that's why I use this twice a week. The next product that we have is the Foxtail Citranexamic Acid. They have given a fancy name to it. It says the Milky Way Rapid Spot Reduction Drops. Basically, this is a tranexamic acid. This one is different from the rest of the serums that I showed you. This has a liquid consistency. As you can see, it looks like milk. That's why they named it as a Milky Way. For my oily skin, this consistency is slightly heavy, slightly thick for my oily skin type, and that is why I'm not consistent in using this, because it kind of makes my skin feel greasy and heavy. Tranexamic acid is for people with hyperpigmentation and dark spots. If you want to reduce your dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and if you have dry skin, then try this Foxtail's the Milky Way Rapid Spot Reduction Drops. Basically, tranexamic acid. Moving on to the next product, that is the Foxtail's Ceramide Moisturizer. I bought this ceramide moisturizer when Alia Bhatt was talking about ceramides in our skincare video, and that is why I got this one, because what she was using priced at rupees, it's from the brand called DU, and it was priced at rupees, it is priced at rupees 3,500, my god. And this one is very cheap when compared to that. Ceramides are lipids that are naturally found in a skin's barrier, but when we age, the ceramides tend to reduce, and that is why we use a ceramide moisturizer. And by the way guys, if you're not sure whether these products would suit your skin, you can always try the smaller versions of it. I'm not gonna leave this moisturizer, I'm just loving this moisturizer. Since I'm using acids on my skin, it is very important to use a sunscreen. So again, I bought Foxtail sunscreen believing that they will not break my trust, and guess what? They didn't. They have this mattifying version of it and a glowy sunscreen, a dewy sunscreen version of it, and I absolutely love the mattifying sunscreen, you guys. This is legit matte, super matte, fantastic matte that will not make your oily skin even more oilier or glowy or shiny or greasier. No, just perfect, you guys. This sunscreen is even perfect to wear under your makeup because it will not melt your foundation. The matte version is SPF 50, the dewy version is SPF 70. Again, by the name, it is dewy. I'm not liking this much as this one. As you can see, this is empty, and I have a smaller version of it. I'm using it right now. So yeah, this one is for normal to dry skin, and this one is for normal to oily skin. This matte sunscreen is a lightweight, it is non-greasy, non-oily, perfect, just blends into your skin, doesn't make your skin shiny or oilier, perfect under your makeup, doesn't melt your foundation. My favorite matte sunscreen. This dewy sunscreen is not my favorite because it makes your skin glossy, so I don't want that. I want a matte. This is a dewy sunscreen. This is a matte sunscreen, and I love this one. Not so much. Foxtail's Oil-Free Moisturizer. This is an aqua marine oil-free moisturizer which calms and soothes agony. To be honest, when I saw this, I was attracted to its color. When I read oil-free moisturizer, the oily skin girl inside me was like, grab it soon. So that is why I got this moisturizer. This is a gel type moisturizer, you guys. I would name this moisturizer jelly moisturizer than a gel moisturizer because the consistency is slightly thicker than a gel. The fragrance of this is amazing, you guys. It smells like fresh water, fresh aqua, like you're entering into a swimming pool. It smells like that. Weird, but yes, it does smells like that. This moisturizer contains marine algae, hyaluronic acid and niacinamide in it. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, meaning it provides intense hydration. It also plumps up the skin. It does all this in an oil-free moisturizer, which really impressed me. Niacinamide soothes and calms irritated skin like acne. It controls excessive oil production. The texture and the consistency of this moisturizer is love. It feels like jelly, it is bouncy to touch, it applies very smoothly onto the skin and blends like a dream. Moving on to the next product, which is the Foxtails Niacinamide Serum, which is my favorite product for today. This serum is called the Game Changer Satin Matte Niacinamide Serum, which is basically a niacinamide serum which blurs pores instantly, and it is oil free too. The reason I bought this serum is because it said it is a satin matte niacinamide serum. I bought this product to experiment, and to my surprise, you guys, it blends like satin and gives a matte finish. That's why they named this as satin matte serum. Yes, it does feel satin on your skin, like you have applied a velvety textured serum on your skin. This texture is similar to a makeup primer. It is so smooth and blends super quick. Niacinamide reduces redness and inflammation, making it suitable for acne-prone and sensitive skin. It minimizes the appearance of enlarged pores, giving the skin a smoother texture. It promotes a smoother and more even texture by reducing roughness and improving overall skin health. Again, Foxtail just did justice with this beautiful packaging that comes in a light purple shade, which looks so beautiful on my vanity. Next is this Foxtail's 2-in-1 cleanser. This product acts as a cleanser as well as a face mask. This is something unique that I came across. It works as a cleanser, also as a face mask. How you can use it? For a cleanser, you can apply it just like your any other face wash. Apply it and rinse off with water. As a face mask, you need to apply this onto your face, leave it for 5 minutes and then rinse off with water. I use this as a face mask every time. This is called the Foxtail, the Bright Side Purify and Glow Weekday Cleanser plus Weekend Face Mask. During the weekdays, you can use this as your face cleanser, and during the weekend, you can use this as a face mask, meaning that only once a week or like twice a week, you can use this as a facial mask. This one has a French pink clay in it, which gently removes impurities, toxins and pollutants from the skin without stripping it of natural oils. It provides mild exfoliation to remove dead skin cells and promote a smoother and more radiant complexion. The texture of this product is thick and gooey, which makes it fun to use, easy to apply and so very convenient. The next product is this Foxtail's Acne Control Face Wash. This face wash is super lightweight, and I would say this is such a good dupe for the Sebamed face washes. This face wash is super lightweight, you guys, so it is perfect for acne prone and sensitive skin types. This face wash contains salicylic acid, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. All these ingredients are targeted for oily skin type. Salicylic acid is a BHA acid that gently exfoliates the skin, removing the dead skin cells and preventing clogged pores. It penetrates deep into the pores to dissolve excess oil, to keep them clear and reduce the likelihood of breakouts. And I absolutely love the fragrance of this one. The last product is this Foxtail's Green Tea Soothing Gel. This is similar to aloe vera gel that we use. It is lightweight and non-sticky and slightly cooling on the skin. I use this particularly before a makeup as a moisturizer. And for summers, this is my only moisturizer. It has green tea extract, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid in it. This is super lightweight, and I would say this is a must buy for oily skin girls. You can use this as a moisturizer after your serum and before your sunscreen. This is super lightweight and just perfect for layering up. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and nothing is sponsored in this video. All of these products I bought it from my own money. So yeah, I will leave the links in the description box, and if you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until then, I will see you next time. Take care.